Well, what a game we have in store for you today. The hype has been building all week and the fans are pouring into the stadium. The tension palpable. Stay tuned, we'll have all the action for you live on EA TV. And a warm welcome on what is an ideal night for football, you've got to say. I'm Derek Ray, here on the commentary position, joined by Lee Dixon to help me describe all the action. And it's all about action from MLS. It's Sporting Kansas City, and they face Real Salt Lake.
Yeah, thank you, Derek. Always my favourite time of the week, spending time with you at games. We should be in for a belter here with these two.
Herrera. Wood. Darlene. It's a good-looking ball in behind. Real chance. In it goes. The goal for 1-0, and that changes the dynamic.
Well, here we see it again. A lovely passage of pure quality passing. Fluid as you like. And once he gets himself settled with the keeper to beat, he hammers it into the back of the net. Smashing goal. Well, the manager knows the importance of that goal. He also knows that you're at your most vulnerable just after you've scored.
Good-looking pass. Now, will they be able to play it in behind the defence? Will he find the net? And denied by the keeper. Impressive. Daniel Saloy. The high press was very much on. No shortage of excitement. Level again. No wonder they're excited.
Well, here we see it again, Derek. He's just unaware there's people around him and he loses it too easily. Then it's catch-up and they can't recover. Terrible goal to concede.
Remy Walter. The first half here comes to an end. You've certainly got to give this man high marks for his work up to this point, Lee.
Well, he stepped up to the plate to get that goal to put his team on equal terms. Can he produce a winner in this second half?
An attack full of promise. And the cross into the middle. Oh, tremendous block. And this time, it's in! Well, the offside flag has been raised. No goal.
Well, it was close, but he just went a little bit too early.
Ruiz. Nick Beasler. Menendez. Well, they're on the scent of something positive. He's got to score! And a goal! In the lead again! Fully deserved!
Well, this is worth another look, Derek. Lovely movement and guile to easily evade the defender. And the pressure comes as he knew it would, but it's the strength that impresses me. It's a great goal in the end.
Darlene. Nice looking pass. Beautifully disguised ball, and he's in the clear. He can't hold on to it. And he saw the situation developing. Well, do they have a goal in the future? They're giving it a go. And that is that. The referee blows his whistle for full time, and it's a victory for the visitors, Lee.
Well, split by that one goal. That's how close the game was. Neither team deserved to lose, really. It was so tight.
Well, he put in a really thorough performance tonight, Lee.
Well, clearly the difference between the two sides today. 2 goals, a really good performance. Ran into the channel, did everything right. Absolutely, 9 out of 10.